Hi dear students, last time we learned A sound words. Today we are going to learn more A sound words. Let's begin. App sound, which give P at the end with A, AP app sound, AT at sound, AD at sound. GAP gap, GAP gap, LAP lap, LAP lap, MAP map, MAP map, CAP cap, CAP cap, NAP nap, NAP nap. You can hear the sound between. See, the A is also highlighted in between. Next one is at sound word, which is bat, bat, at cat, at fat, FAT fat, which gives f sound. RAT rat, rat rat. Mat, at mat. Now we have add sound word, which is bad, bad, sad, 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 dad, dad, had, pad, pad. Now we have an sound words, ag sound words and am sound word, which is going to give a sound only, but we have variations in the last. Fan, F-A-N, fan. Can, C-A-N, can. Ran, R-A-N, ran. Pen, P-A-N, pan. M-A-N, man, M-A-N, man, which is man. Ag sound words, bag, B-A-G, bag. Tag, T-A-G, tag. Rag, R-A-G, rag. Leg, L-A-G, leg. Nag. Now, which is am sound words? Dam. Y-A-M, yam, which is yam. Ham, ham. Ram, R-A-M, ram. Jam, J-A-M, jam. So, we have word picture match fun. Here is a small exercise. Let's do it together. Okay. We have to match the spellings, words with their picture. So, F-A-N, fan. We are going to match fan with F-A-N, fan. You can see. The next one is pan. Let's see, where is the pan picture? Wow, the pan is smiling. So, we are going to match pan below. The next one is cat. The next one is cat. Cat. Here is a small cat, cute cat. Cat. The next one is mat, which is the first picture here. Let's match. Mat. Then we have cap. CAP, cap. match. CAP, cap.